Hi everybody, good morning. It's Wednesday, the 29th. And so before I even look at the market today, I do want to just um I do just want to say that shorts might be the move, just looking. Anyway, uh yesterday I I took another trade after I said I wasn't going to. So after I uploaded that video, or yesterday's video, I don't exactly remember where. Actually, let me see like this. How do you I'm gonna stay focused? Where the fuck's price at? I'm gonna stay focused. It was over here somewhere. Right here. What time was that? 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock yesterday. So I entered here. I see it. I entered longs here and I literally caught like this whole move up. Now let me tell you why I entered long. We tapped into an hourly fair value gap with this wick. And I was just when I upload my video or the YouTube video, I'm still looking at price, charting out like I go on the practice on Top Step, or I'll just go like this, just something like that. And I still like trade, but just on fake accounts or whatever. Um, but this trade, it was just screaming at me to take it, so I took it. I'm not gonna lie. We had an hourly fair value gap here. Um, Swept out liquidity, right? Swept liquidity. We had an hourly fair value gap, and it was tapped into, like I showed you guys before, pretty nicely. We had a change in the state right here, um, and we inversed this fair value gap with very nice momentum, traded back within it, and also created a 1 minute fair value gap and tapped into this. And I honestly like entered like right here, or actually I entered like right here. And my stop loss was only there, and that's why I was okay with actually taking the trade because I went in with less size, and my stop loss is 8 fucking points. I mean, 8 times I was in it with five. My 8 times 5 is shit is 40 times two. I was risking $80, right? And I ended up selling at like I don't know, I'm not even sure. Like I took some off here, but I also sold some like up here for like I think it was like 70 points. Right here, I got stopped out. So as we were moving up, I was moving my stop as we went. We created this 1 minute fair value gap, and I had my stop literally like right here. We tapped it, went a little bit higher, but overall, it was fucking beautiful. And it was like I mean, because I did take profit here, I am gonna count that as whatever this risk to reward is. I caught a 10 point, a fucking 1 to 10 risk to reward. Come on, that like it was so fucking beautiful, guys. So my account balance right now is at 59.85. That's why because before it was at like 52, it was at like 50,000 to 300, but now we're at 985 because I mean it was so fucking beautiful. I just had to take it. So that's why I took another trade yesterday, and I didn't end up doing a fucking back. I mean I did back test, I just didn't record it. My back testing were up. My win rate's pretty low because the first like 5, 10 trades I was taking, I was kind of like figuring out how the fuck I use FX replay. But once I actually started uh um what the fuck you call it? Once I actually like knew what the fuck like how to work the platform, I was taking two minis. And see, I'll show you the first month. Here I was figuring out like what the fuck like on how to use it. Here like this month is when I actually started to actually like trade how I normally would. Um, And because it's fake money, I have no problem executing when I want to, and this is the result. I mean, this month was literally 35 fucking percent. I had 4 red days, and then the next month, right now, I mean, it's still going on, but we're already up 13.5%. I had one losing day. But also, the problem is, I will say, it saved me a few times where on FX replay, you enter a position, and I press the button down here to play price, and it just like immediately prints out this 1 minute candle. It won't like gradually play out. Because I don't set stop losses or TPs. Of course, if it hits my stop, I'll sell whatever it is, but sometimes it ends up being like a lot more. Say I entered long right here for some fucking reason. I would have my stop. Say I had my stop right here, right? This candle, okay, I'm still in the trade. I click the next button and price is all the way down there. And I would sell for a loss, obviously, but that's why like the losses sometimes are huge. That's why. Because I manually like take profit and stop my trade out. Anyway, let's get into price today. We do have um, an SMT. We have a daily SMT here. Not gonna lie, I'm just pointing it out, but I don't really know if it would mean anything. And that's probably just why. Like it was a SMT. Maybe you could have like longed to this daily fair value gap because we did tap into this like new week gap here on ES and the Nasdaq. We haven't yet, but we're in a daily fair value gap. Just something to point out. Like I would long until this daily fair value gap. Since we're already in it, let's just see. So we got a fucking daily fair value gap. Uh, Price is heading down these past 4 hours. Let me mark out that and this, which ES already hit it. The Nasdaq hasn't. We swept out all these. ES in are in this 4 hour fair value gap. So there is an SMT to the upside. Let me scale in though to see my bias. I mean, I still have. It's only 8:53, and I'm not going to class today at 10 o'clock, so I could be here and live trade until 10:30. Um, so I got to see how this plays out. But I'm not gonna lie, shorts might be the move. We're respecting this hourly gap pretty nicely. I would say price would want to go here, and on ES we already hit it, which is kind of sucky. It's Nasdaq still has a long way to go. Let's mark out Asian and London fucking levels. London's high is up here. London's low is here. Okay. And I mean, pre-market has opened, and that's not what I meant to do. Where did pre-market open? At 8:30. We moved sideways. We've moved sideways. Yep. Okay. Bias. Mm, Maybe we could get a nice short off this 15-minute here. I'm not gonna lie, I think I want a short, but I'm gonna be 50-50, and whatever the market is telling me is what I'll just do. I'm not gonna lie. This is the same fair value gap? Yeah. So, if price wants to retrace up into this 15-minute fair value gap, and then we get like, reasons to enter alongside that with those time frames, we short. I do want to mark out. So one more thing before I end this, I do want to mark out that there is an SMT. It's a 4 hour with these lows right fucking there. This is a crazy SMT, and it's an SMT to the point where I don't really know if I would even. We gotta see. But it is technically an S&T, so I do want to mark it. Let me just stay on the 15 minute. But like this is the lowest low, and we have failed to hit it. So we might look pretty good. Like longs up until this 15 minute, and then look for shorts again. And especially target Asians low if we haven't even hit it yet. That's the goal. I'm gonna be honest. You could probably today's probably a day where you can make money longing or shorting. But I mean, if you really just scale out and simplify your trading, we are heading up. You know. But I do think we have room to go down first, and especially tap this maybe at this 4 hour, even though we really don't have to. But we're gonna wait and see what price does. Let's just stay on the 15 minute dose. Just for now. There is a little 15 minute for that here. Like if I want to short, let me see where equilibrium is. These highs to here. It's this fair value gap. So let's just wait and see. So I'm gonna see you guys probably. Is this account set up? Oh yeah. Do I want? Let me mark out actually. Uh, levels, but I could do that off video. So I'm gonna come back when market. Oh, is there news today? Let me check. Oh shit! Today's FOMC. Today's FOMC. Goddamn. All right. I gotta keep that in mind. All right. I'm gonna see you guys when market opens. All right, everybody. So I took a trade. We tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap. Right. We're in an area of accumulation now. Um, and we had a change in. So we're respecting this 2 minute fair value gap. And we have this 1 minute bearish. We had a change in the state. We have fair value gaps being respected. So we just gotta wait now. Price has been kind of bearish. This chart is really messy. Part of me wants to just sell it now and save myself the loss, but you want to go and take a dive? Yep. Stop out. Stopped out. All right, that's fine. I'm not mad that I took this though. I mean, I kind of want to be bullish, but I thought we were at least going to go and sweep out this 15-minute level here because this is the one that formed the SMT, so I thought we might look pretty good to go down. 15-minute fair value gap. We're respecting this 2 minute fair value gap pretty nicely. If you enter just there, that was 30 points. Um, we have a change in the state on the 1 minute. We had a 1 minute bearish gap here and this one, and then we inverse this one. So I'm okay with taking this. Your stop loss could have been up here, but I didn't have it up there. All right, guys, I just wanted to start this again because price is literally doing what I said it was going to do. I was in shorts. Uh, There's the drawing right here. Is this 520.75? Yeah, it is. Um, Take profit one was hit. Take profit two was hit. Main take profit is down there, and price literally did exactly what the fuck I wanted. I just had my stop. I don't even think I had it too tight because we even inversed on the 2 minute. Like we inversed this 2 minute gap. The reason why this trade didn't work is solely because of shitty price action. When price action is shitty like this, it's very hard to be precise because you might see an impulse move like this where we inverse it, but then all of a sudden we just tank like 30 points here, 40 points in 2 minutes. You know, chat. Uh, Market's almost closed. Didn't do jack shit after. So, I mean, this is just a review. This is kind of just saying goodbye or see you tomorrow. We took that loss today, but it's all right. I mean, if you just look on the 15-minute price action's fucking insane. When did we first? I just want to see something. Let me put a thing here. Let's see it. So we first tapped it here. I mean, if you just tapped it and then entered long and like with an inverse, you were profitable. But if you actually waited, change in the state was here. Fair value gap was there. You could have entered off this fair value gap, but then we had this one. You could have waited for it to get inversed. It never got inversed. Fucked around. Yeah, today's price action was something else. Tomorrow should be a good day. It's Thursday. We have 8:30 news, and then that's it. So we'll see. I'm gonna see. Ooh, a 5 minute fair value gap. There's literally 1 minute left in price. Well, actually, I think it closes like 4:05 or some shit. But anyway, I'm gonna see you guys. The camera's not even fucking on. Okay. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Um, and yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see you guys then.